Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the second page of your worksheet from the learning activities. In the prior videos, we worked on the doll bodies tab, and you finished that. And now we're going to do ugly heads. So thank you for coming back and spending this time with me, and we will go through this together. All right, let's start by adding up our costs. So we are still Retro Toys. We are still making Cabbage Patch dolls. And we have transferred the bodies from the doll body department into the ugly head department. If you're wondering why I'm calling it the ugly head department, go ahead and Google Cabbage Patch dolls and let me know if you disagree. All right. So we began with 15,500 units. The value of these units of our beginning inventory is 109,000. So I'm going to add that right here. During the period, we added 539,000 of direct materials, so 539,000, and we added 650,500 of conversion, so 650,500. Okay, so our total costs that we are going to account for this period is 1,298,500. Okay. So let's go to determining our physical flow. So it says that we began the period with 15,500 units. So that's our beginning inventory. We started, let me see, during the period we started the completed units from the doll body department. I'm going to fix the spelling here. Okay. So this one's a little tricky. You're glad you came and watched the video. So it's going to be our finished number of units from the doll body department, okay? So we finished them and we transferred them in so they became what we started in the ugly head department. All right. And then it says we ended the period with 5,000 units in WIP ending inventory. So that's going to be 5,000. And it does not tell us how many units we finished, but luckily we know that beginning inventory plus started equals finished plus ending inventory. So if I just put in my beginning inventory of 15,500 units plus my started of 59,000 units, if I add those up, that gives me 74,500 units. And so that means that finished plus ending inventory must also be 74,500 units. My ending inventory is 5,000. And so I can calculate my finished must be 74,500 minus my ending inventory of 5,000. So we must have finished 69,500 units. So let's go ahead and add that. Okay. So now we're going to go, that's step one, determining the physical flow. Now we're going to do step two, calculate EUP. So first let's figure out our percentage complete. So our completed or finished units are 100% complete because by definition, if it's finished, it's 100% complete. When you are finished with this class, you will be 100% done with managerial accounting, unless you take the cost accounting class, Accounting 111. All right. Our direct materials, so it says ending inventory is 75% complete with respect to direct materials. I'll add that here. And it says that it's 35% complete with respect to conversion. So I'll add that on the conversion line. All right. So to calculate my EUP for completed or finished, I'm going to multiply my finished number of units times the percentage complete. In this case, it's 100%. So I have EUP of, excuse me, 69,500. I'm going to do the same with conversion, multiply finished units by the percentage complete. All right, now we're going to look at ending inventory. So we know we have 5,000 incomplete units. What would the equivalent whole units be for our EUP? So I'm going to multiply my ending inventory times the percentage complete I am for direct materials, which is 75%. And that means that I could have finished with that same amount of direct materials, 3,750 units. Okay, I have 5,000 unfinished, but with respect to direct materials, that's the equivalent of 3,750 whole units. All right, I'm going to do the same for conversion. I'm going to multiply my ending inventory of 5,000 times 35% complete, which is what they are. And so 5,000 incomplete units is the equivalent of 1,750 whole units with respect to conversion. So now I'm going to add these two columns up. So my EUP for direct materials is 73,250, and my EUP for conversion is 71,250. That's the total number of units I could have completed this period. All right, I'm going to stop the video here and make a second one for steps 3 and 4. So I will see you then.